Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Resin. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you best ideas about resin jewelry, resin coaster, resin pen, etc. I have seen a video about resin pen, so I am making a beautiful pen with red and white color combination and blue and white color combination. I am using acrylic paint in blue color and white color and some glitter in epoxy resin. And I am also making alphabet A for red pen. I hope you are enjoying. Very useful hobby, best color combination ideas. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.